shrimps, 2 eggs, fish sauce, sugar, salt and pepper, flour, ginger and garlic, and green onions from the garden, and wonton wrapper, and of course sesame oil. Fish sauce, sugar, salt and pepper, little flour, eggs, and I'm gonna chop some of this. Sesame oil. Lots. Get about just a teaspoon of mixed ground pork and shrimps, the ingredients, and you just have to do this. And once this is filled, put them in the freezer. Once they're hard, you can put them in a Ziploc and store them. First 40 pieces here, and I'll store them in the freezer for 1 hour so that once they're hardened, I can put them in a Ziploc, and that would be last again for even months. Okay. Hi. So we're gonna be cooking wonton soup. Let's boil water first. So there's about 750 mLs of water there, and I'm gonna put a cube of chicken cube nor, and then let it boil. Onions from this one, from our green onions, and now I'm gonna get Shanghai bok choy that we're gonna be using for our soup. I think we need a couple. So we're gonna be using this fresh veggie for our soup. So now it's boiling. We're gonna add some of our new made wonton. Okay, we're gonna add about, how many are those? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 10, 14, 16. After 8 to 10 minutes, they're ready. They're not from the freezer because I just made them, but once they're frozen, it takes about over 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sesame oil, which gives flavor, and I'm gonna put the Shanghai bok choy from the garden. 2 minutes. And for the meantime, I'm gonna we don't want to overcook the greens. Turn it off now. And so this is the wonton.